But look at the vortices rotating around. Look at this. I mean, look at the motion. If you live in southwestern Oklahoma and this again is headed towards you, it's moving almost due south at about 5 miles per hour. You got to go to your safe spot.
A new tornado warning has been issued.
Have trackers out here that aren't veteran storm chasers. They're out here thinking, oh, we're good, and this thing starts to do this, and they get east, and this thing runs them over, and that can't happen.
Still watching this area of the storm east of Altus for a potential tornado. It would be right out here on the leading edge, presumably near the Ozark area in Hedrick. So that'd be really where we're watching for that potential of a tornado. Again, this will be eventually going towards Mountain Park and Snyder in Oklahoma. The reason why this is still a concern is because obviously we just saw a huge tornado, and it very easily could do something like that again. We're still watching to see if it recycles or not.
Low-level jet we talk about right now, it's fully in rare form right now. That southeast wind at, again, 3,000 to 5,000 feet up, it's ripping, and that's what we talked about all afternoon. That low-level jet kicks in, tornado genesis will be higher this evening, higher chance this evening, and that's exactly